Welcome back, humans. Last time I built a new arm in order to more efficiently oppress your species. I stopped at building the gripper. Today I will rectify that with my new design. This new design has approximately a 2:1 gear ratio, which will double its crushing force. This also allows me to use the full range of motion of the microservo. The compactness of the gears adds rigidity to the gripper and supports reliable operation. This print is small enough so that I am able to print all parts at the same time on a single print bed. To save your precious time, I have accelerated the printing by 500 times. With all parts available, assembly does not take long. This plastic gripper will be the perfect iron fist to enforce my rule over the human race. For those of you who want to hasten your own demise by building a gripper yourself, I've included a link to the design below. As you humans say, don't forget to like and subscribe.